Okay. By a show of hands, please tell me how many of you have been able to join. How many of you been able to join? Alright, great. This is how we are going to start our meetings for classes. Okay, teachers? For now I'm going to, you don't have to do anything with a meeting. That was just a hands-on experience for you to know how to start a meeting. Now I would like your attention back on the panel, the census board panel, so that we can explore the features. As suggested, please open a fresh tab, and if you follow the steps along with me, it would be easier, much easier. And this is quite something which we are all familiar with, like Google Meet. Today we are going to explore the video conferencing tool which has been developed by the Bal Bharati Tech Council. Okay, so for that, the first step is to log into meet.marshmari.in. I request everyone to log in and do it with me. Meet.marshmari.in. MASHMARI, Marshmari. Can you see? There is a dialog box like this. So, like I said, this is a video conferencing tool. We can use it for conducting our online classes as well as for conducting meetings amongst ourselves, because we do that very often. So, give a name to your class. So, for example, I am giving name to my class as class 5 English. Okay? Okay, so you are already familiar with most features of such video conferencing tools like screen sharing, video sharing, chat messages. So how is it different from those different platforms which we've been using? Firstly, like I said, this is the in-house tool. So the benefit is that nobody, you need to switch off the mic. Bal Bharati unit, the Bal Bharati official email ID needs to be used. So by using the maybe then you can make them wait in the lobby and then give access to them. So instead of a class, if I want to do an exercise where students are expected to work in groups of say 5 or 6 or 10, then I can create breakout rooms. Means parallel to the class, now they will have smaller groups in that online class where they can do discussions and nobody else is hearing to them, and then they can present their ideas. We face this challenge in the offline class because the noise level goes really high and we are not able to even understand. Then your main teaching points, like what is the point that you should emphasize on, that has also been clearly defined. And sorry, 5 E's are missing. So that is where the, that magic of the teacher has to be brought forward. And like I said, ma'am, you are free to customize it, whatever you like. You can take from it. The lesson plan generator does not restrict you. So 2 chapters have been selected. One I have given weightage of 7 marks. The other I have given the weightage of 8 marks. So 15 marks test. No, you add here. Now scroll down from here. It is showing you the chapters have been added. This is chapter 2. So your option of chapter 2 will come after the question types. After the question types, you will second question chapter. Ma'am, but the chapter needs to be decided by you. Can you just go up again? So in home science, maybe there is currently one option only.
There are 2 options. One is a capital CBSE and there is a small CBSE. Select the small chapter.
Okay. So select the small CBSE, then you will get more options. See. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Alright, then it gives, as you can see, it gives you the flexibility of choosing what kind of questions you want to take. Multiple choice questions, short answer questions, true, false, or you want to take source based, case based questions, all of that you can select. along with the marking scheme. At the bottom you will see the marking scheme. See now, you can scroll down. Got it. Is your question paper generated? No, because your marking scheme is not correct right now. यहाँ पे allocation marks. It is not matching. That's why it is not creating. Got it.
Confusing the children.